Hey everyone, welcome and thanks for tuning in. So today I'm going to do a quick little video to show you how to put your Ford F-150 into brake maintenance mode. Now, if you've already watched a couple videos and saw that the one you were watching didn't work for you, it's probably because this one is a push button start and the video you watched had to do with a key. A traditional key fob. So there is a little difference in the sequence of events that you have to do to get it in to brake maintenance mode. So let me go ahead and show you. First things first, you're going to want to make sure the vehicle is off. So go ahead, switch it off. And then next, go ahead and turn it on without putting your foot on the brake or anything. Just put it into accessory mode, or basically when the screen is on like this. Next thing you want to do is go ahead and push the parking brake button down, press the gas pedal, hold the gas pedal, and what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to switch the ignition off and then switch it back on while still holding everything. Now when you switch it back on, continue to hold everything for possibly 10 seconds or a little less, and then you'll see that you're back, or you're in to brake maintenance mode. Now that you're in brake maintenance mode, you're able to do all the necessary repairs on your rear brakes. You don't need this for doing the front brakes, only the rear where the parking brake is. Now, something I ran into while doing the rear brakes is not finding a specific it has like 3 nipples on it that turn the caliper in, because that's the type where you have to like technically spin it. But if you just use a regular brake compressing tool, you can just press it right in, even though it looks like it's supposed to turn in. As soon as you put it in brake maintenance mode, it's going to release something and it's going to allow you to press it in. All right, now let me show you how to take it out of brake maintenance mode. So go ahead, make sure the vehicle's off, and then go ahead, turn the vehicle on. This time you're going to want to pull instead of press. So pull, press the gas pedal, go ahead, turn it off while you're still holding everything. Go ahead, turn the ignition back on and continue to hold everything. And then release and test it. Parking brake is on. Parking brake off. So there you go. When I tried it the first time, it actually said brake maintenance mode off, or it said something about going back to normal. But the last 2 times I did it, it didn't actually say anything. So, I'm not exactly sure, but it's not as hard to get back into regular mode, that's for sure. If this video helped you, please leave a thumbs up, leave a comment, let me know if you have any tips or suggestions, or just let me know if it helped you in any way. And please subscribe, because I do tons of automotive repair videos, and one of them could possibly help you out in the future. Anyways, thanks once again. Have a good one. Peace.